Good morning viewers. Today I have come my own garden. This is Carambola tree. You can also say star fruit tree. I already told you this Carambola tree brought from Sankar Nursery. Now I am come to show all of you this many. So there's many birds is here. Come and look, show them our viewers. This is birds, the Carambola birds mean mukul here, and so many birds are here. You can come here, come here. Birds also here. So these branches I cut few days ago because they are not good for the condition of the Carambola tree. The sunshine is not put on this place. That's why I cut. And so many also creepers means latapaka, the moving this whole Carambola tree in there. You can see also here is dry and dead creepers, CRIPPER, creepers. And you can also say climbing. You can say there's so many here. And look at here is green Carambola. It is fruit, a kind of fruit. It is taste is always sour and sweet, mixing flavor, sweet, sour and sweet. This is another Carambola. This is ripe. It is not ripe. It is, you can say, maybe attract any kind of virus, or it is maybe try to going to be rotten, or is unnecessary. It is not perfect or pure Carambola. This another season Carambola. That's why it is going to yellowish color and reddish color. This is another Carambola. It is purely fresh, and you can look here, look, come here. This branch is going between the two branch, the fat branch, the branch, and going there. That side they are growing the Carambola. Okay, here is not even pure ripe. You can say this color when the Carambola is completely ripe means paka, then this color is like this. You can say the yellowish color. It is not ripe. It is attack some virus. Let's go on that side. Come.
Stand.
Yeah, you can reach this hawk plum tree. This is hawk plum birds. It is kind of birds of hawk plum, and so many hawk birds are here. I already pinch to remove the birds. That's why it's not available in the birds in this hawk plum tree. I always try to cut our nail like this, because it is the tree is not big. I want to do the healthy. I want to a healthy tree. That's why I cut the. This is so many birds, and without pure perfect growth, we are the hawk farm. Then the tree health is always not perfect. I mean, it's not healthy. That's why I cut the trying to cut the buds and I'm throwing the another side. You can come here. You can sow the buds here. The buds is here, and you can hawk palm is not the seed is foreign. You can see in Bazaar there are so many hawk palms selling in Bazaar in one piece. They are also definitely the big size is bigger than this. This is now little and small, just growing transfer buds from the birds. That's why it is small.